morning, everybody. This is Analee. I'm getting on here live to report to you that I'm not going on this trip. This is the charter boat that's going up to the Northern Islands for the mountain climbers. I want to show you what these guys are doing right now. Come with me. I didn't title this. I was So I'm here at the governor's office to pick up flags for the Northern Islands. And I'm here to see people. Buenas, Keiko.
Hi, dear.
Hi.
I mean, okay.
So we're here to
And I
pick up
thought
the
you were
flags.
gonna pick it up early this morning. I had it read in the
Oh,
front.
we have cinema
So
one.
this is cinema,
Okay.
and the
Awesome.
other one is the American flag.
Okay, American flag. Mali kasi
Yeah.
sa para pumakanan.
Yeah. Also, you're gonna use it for the.
What happened is that I asked the governor for flags, and for right now we have only two, one each.
Right.
And I think I'd like to have this over in Agrihan Island for now.
Oh, okay, okay. Unfortunately, we only have. I only have this one set. Unless you guys need more, then we'll try and see if we can secure.
Alright, you guys, I just want to let you know that I have something from the governor. And right now there's only these two flags, okay? I want you to know that if you this to me, and I'm going to bring it over to the dock and give it to the captain to give it to the people over in the island of Agrihan. I'm here at the office of the governor, right now. And I want to thank him. Not trying to put the person live because, you know, I didn't ask her, so. No, mula manalo ko. I'm good. I'm good. There she is. Thank you very much. This is Keiko. Governor, Jesus Masi, thank you very much. This would mean a lot to us. At least the Northern Islands. Cinema flag and a United States flag. Definitely a must. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Next year. Okay, you guys. That's that. All right, Ern. Later. Adios. Okay, you guys, so I'm here at Ina's Kitchen here in the village here. No?
It's someplace, wherever Ina's kitchen is.
And I'm here with the mountain climbers. They have returned from Agrihan. These are the crew that I was supposed to join, but I didn't make it because, you know. But yeah, I want to show you guys something. This is what I missed out on. The crater of Agrihan, the highest mountain in the Marianas, right?
Yes.
Mount Agrihan. And again, this is
David Darby.
Okay. Okay. And the infamous me. Anyway, I'm showing them shells from the Northern Islands and I'm gifting them sea salt from Agrihan. We're here at Ina's. They're having a burger. And guess what? He just purchased the necklace for me that I made in the Northern Islands. The necklace that we're calling the hamburger necklace. Look, check this necklace out that I said it was, I made it because I wanted some burgers when I get home from Agrihan. Here it is. So, the story behind this is the bun, the patty, the cheese, and the bun. So it's actually a cheeseburger. But yeah, it manifested. I came home and I got some burgers. Right now they ordered burgers. I don't know, but they're having burgers today. What do you think? Shall I have a burger? But yes, beautiful day today, guys. Won't be long, but yes, here they are again. Thank you for going to Agrihan, you guys. It really means a lot to us.
Enjoyed it. Lovely island.
Yes, please enjoy the islands, not destroy. All right, Ina's kitchen at this village here in Saipan. See you later. See you guys later. We're here at Olegi's Barn Grill, not Baroque Cafe. There's two flies. But anyway, this is our burger. This is our date right here. So, from Agrihan to Saipan, Saipan to Agrihan. Burgers forever.
Burgers forever.